Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with access. Switch to an Instagram professional account and link a Facebook page so APIs and insights unlock. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and grant permissions to any third-party dashboard tool you choose. Next, decide the KPIs you'll track: impressions, reach, saves, follower growth. Those choices shape your data sources. Finally, install the dashboard app or sign into the web portal and connect Instagram via the indicated account flow so the tool can start pulling metrics immediately. Now you map the data. Connect Instagram Insights and import historical data for 3 to 12 months so trends show. Once connected, create data sources for feed posts, stories, reels, and audience demographics. That separation explains performance differences. Then assign those sources to dashboard widgets and choose visualizations, line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, tables for raw posts. Make sure to set a refresh cadence. Real time if you need live tracking, hourly for active campaigns, or daily for regular reporting. Finish by arranging the layout. Place primary KPIs at the top, add drill-down filters for date range and post type, and include context notes for each metric. Share viewer and editor access, schedule automated exports as PDF or CSV, and set alert thresholds for sudden dips or spikes. If metrics fail to appear, reauthorize the API token, verify granted permissions on Facebook and Instagram, clear cached connectors, and rerun the import. That usually resolves missing or stale data quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.